Everything is better with bacon. That's right.
In fact, if you ask Jim Gaffigan, that's the best food in all the world.
Okay, now you have a couple of tins here with charcoals. What's that all about?
I got a little bit of education first.
Okay.
I always try to bring something educational when I come
we appreciate that. We need it.
Some people can look in their kitchen drawer and see a stack that looks like this. You might have one at home. When you unwrap them, it looks like this.
Right.
Yeah, that's those leftover Chinese chopsticks.
Yes, well, which I don't know how to use.
No. Well, that's a whole nother segment. I'll come back.
Okay.
Anyway, I found that these are really a great grilling skewer. So if you have some in the drawer, save them.
Nice and thick. Yeah.
People sometimes will recognize what this is. That's charcoal. That's regular charcoal. This is actually what they make it out of. This is called lump charcoal. It's made from real wood. And actually, we're going to cook on both today. This one burns longer and hot.
That's a little better for flavor? Or?
Well, this burns faster and hotter. Okay. And depending on the wood, there's flavor involved.
Sure. All right.
So
we got about 1 minute to get the kebab started.
Well, basically what I've done is I kind of planned ahead.
Look at that.
And they're assembled. Because
even uncooked, that's colorful.
We've got to grill them, but when we finish grilling those, we're going to put a glaze on these. And this is part of what I'm going to teach in my grilling class at Orson Gigi over the next 2 Saturdays.
Okay, so you got some sauce in there.
Good quality barbecue sauce, a little bit of garlic, and some lime juice, and then also some, there's also some orange marmalade in there. And
that's going to be our glaze.
That's going to be the glaze for these kebabs when they're done. And in my class, I'm actually going to talk a little bit about glazes and sauces. I've made a barbecue rub. The recipe that's out on the internet, the recipe for the rub that's in here is there.
Right. We'll have this recipe on KTV.com. Okay.
Absolutely. And yeah, these are all seasoned up. They're ready to go. This is going to go on when we come back. We're actually, I think, going to be outside.
We'll throw it on the grill. We'll talk more about your classes and what you do as the No Name Gourmet.
Yeah, when I'm not cooking for people, I'm actually teaching them how to cook for those who want to do their own.
There you go. Okay, we'll see you in a few minutes. Back to you guys.
All right, looks good.